Before we get the hook here, what I love doing these events in DC, only here can you get standing room only to talk about e-mobility. I love the policy crowd here. Give them some homework. How can they help?
I would say, before you ban devices and ban new innovations and technologies, take a look at standards. There is a great system where companies come together, the best and the brightest, but also experts in academia and consumers, and they create these rigorous voluntary standards that keep people safe. So it's not always a matter of regulation or bans. We can do something in between.
Denise, what's your homework assignment for everybody?
Definitely. UL has 3 standards. Specifically related to e-bikes, e-scooters, and the batteries that are used in those products. So 2849, 2271, 2272. We have a lot of great resources out there about those standards. Would love for you all to take a look at that on our website, learn more about these things so that we can truly drive change and advance safety.
And Denise will be out on the balcony afterwards with her whiteboard,
yes,
going through the science.
Bring the whiteboard in.
Denise, David, thank you so much for being here. Thanks to UL Standards and Engagement for making today possible. Stick around. I'm going to bring Nathan Bomey up to close the show.